Hello, friends! Welcome to my channel, Art and More. I hope you all are doing great. Today, we are going to do a beautiful drawing step by step in a very easy way. So take your paper, pencil, and colors, and let's start together. First, we will draw the basic shape. Draw it slowly and carefully. No need to hurry. Take your time and enjoy the process. Now, let's add more details to our drawing. Follow the steps one by one and try to keep your lines neat and clean. If you make any mistake, it's okay. You can always correct it. Our outline is almost ready. Now we will complete the final touches of the drawing. Make sure everything looks clear and nicely finished. Now comes the most fun part, coloring. Choose your favorite colors and start filling the drawing. Color gently and try to stay inside the lines. You can use any colors you like and make your drawing creative and unique. Take your time while coloring so that your drawing looks more beautiful and attractive. Good coloring makes your drawing look more alive and bright. And now our drawing is complete. See how sundar and colorful it looks. I hope you enjoyed this drawing and had fun while creating it. Practice more and keep improving your skills every day. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Art and More. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!